Yo. Coach Cal, Jay Sean, McLovin. I'm looking at it all right. I missed a fucking 100-point pop, apparently. 160-point pop. Damn. We hit the low last night. I was up. I was trading during that time. And went from 844 to 23,111. Is that a new all-time high? It is. We just hit a new all-time fucking high. We swept that all-time high and then fucking rejected hard. Hard R. Hot Shot, P Shenanigan, J Stores. No doubt. Ben, Mystic Rick, Renee Black. Really? V33. Let's take some guesses. Keegan. Oh my God, that's the worst. And when it just keeps fucking going. Donna. Hello, young lady. Coach Calvin. Got my TPT Pro 50K up. Nice job, man. Are you going to keep going or are you going to leave it? Pandal. Marco. Eddie. Let me log into my accounts. I got this expert My Funded Futures account last night. Took advantage of that 50% off your first purchase on any type of account for the month of July. And that was my first purchase for July. So I got a 50K 50K expert My Funded Futures account for $113, which is pretty fucking good because those things are expensive. And let's just say I fucking traded it for hours because I was fucking gold. Fucking gold, man. Fucking gold. Gold was definitely moving around a lot last night. Gold was moving around a fuck ton last night. It's such a little bitch, though. It's such a little, there we go. Such a little bitch. I'm almost done logging in, guys. I'm sorry. I literally just rolled out of bed, brushed my teeth, drank a glass of water, and now I'm logging into all my accounts. I wanted to hop on earlier. I had my alarm set, and then I fucking snoozed that motherfucker. Who else is out here? Lord Woodslinger. Alfred, what up? The expert. I'm a futures trading expert. What up, Warrior? Mystic Rick, I just get a little stuffy in the morning. I got like a dog sleeping literally, might as well wrap themselves around my fucking neck. And he sheds a fuck ton, so I'm good. Although my son is fucking congested. Jonathan Trentwell, what up? No, that's not normal. Usually it should happen. I mean, I've never... On all the starters and starter pluses I passed, that the next trading, as soon as the next trading day started, I had those accounts. So I would hit up support, bro. Definitely hit up support, Jonathan. Their chat is great. They'll help you out. That's that one. That's this one. You know what else is crazy? So I request the payout with Apex Monday night. It gets approved Tuesday morning. Last night, which was probably Wednesday morning on the East Coast, last night I get an email saying my payment was sent already. How fucking cool is that? I know it takes 3 to 7 business days, but I might get it by the end of the week. I just fucking requested. Fucking fantastic. Fucking fantastic. All right. Let's turn this fucking screen on. Oh, by the way, I had my funded fucking Starter Plus account that I just got paid on. that I had 2 days in, I had a third day in. My first trade, I made over $100. And then I got fucking annoyed that it kept going down because I was in short and I got shaken out. And then what did I do? I went against my rightness. And before I knew it, I started getting yo-yoed around and fucking played, and I blew the account. All I had to do was stop trading. All I had to do was stop trading. I'm so fucking annoyed about that still. And then that's when I bought the expert. And then what did I do? I passed that motherfucker. Trading fucking gold. Trading fucking gold. Look at that fucker. What a fucking pain in the ass it was, though, man. It didn't come without, a roller coaster of emotions. But we did it, Joe. I'll have a fucking funded expert account. That should be interesting. Yes, I will get paid less frequently. Obviously, if I get to the payout. But you could take out more than just like the minimum, like the max payouts on the starters and starter pluses. I like the 50Ks is 1,200. If I was to fuck with the starter plus 150K, the max payout would be 3,600. I could still take more than that out. Benny, what up? Because I'm a streamer. Bro, the last payouts I got, I waited over a week for to get approved. Eric J, what up? Starters and starter plus the expert. It's like a commercial. Eric J, great day. The VWAP. So this is fucking cool. What else did I do last night? That's really it. Oh, I got flip days in on these 25Ks because I'm over the target. So that's day 3. Got flip days in on these. Actually, I didn't flip. I traded, guys. I traded. I just went down in size. That's all. My trade days. This is day 7. So these should officially be passed when the trading day ends. And guess what? I don't have to pay the activation fee. No activation fee here, pal. When you use the best fucking code ZERODAYJAY. And then I haven't touched my bulenox accounts yet. I haven't touched bulenox. Really, what I want to trade, what I need to trade, is bulenox and Apex. Those are the priorities. So we will see. We will see what's going to happen here. Looks like it's that's gold. Definitely don't want to trade gold anymore. I'm all golded out. Is this a head and shoulders? Holy shit. Look at this. You got your shoulder, you got your head, and your shoulder. Oh, I had some rebills come through. I forgot about these. I had some 90% off rebills come through. I got these for $16.70, yo. So we'll fucking see if I can pass those, get some more funded Apex accounts. That's where I'm at. I don't think you have to trade for 14 days, but they do have a minimum. You have to trade at least once a week or you'll lose the account. So you can literally just have 2 fucking banger days, 1 each week, and then request. And they have a $1,000 buffer. You have to get over $1,000 to request. Trend friend, what up? You will not on the expert. I don't think there's any scaling. Rules. Let's see. I was just looking at this actually. Expert. Blah, 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 hoobly ha. Contract size in the expert plan. That's not it. That's not it. I don't think it matters. I don't think you have to scale with expert. Funded account rules. No scaling restrictions, but prohibited conduct guidelines. Probably like micro scalping and all that type of shit. Consistency requirement. There's no consistency plan on expert. That's starter. Oh, here we go. No scaling. And minimum withdrawal amount is $1,000. Withdraw every 14 days after the first trade. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to trade once a week. Obviously, I'm going to trade more than once. So that's that. I don't know if that helps. Whoops. Still on gold here. All right, I got to trade Apex. We're in kind of a weird spot right now. Did FOMC minutes already happen? No, they're going to happen. I'm not that it's going to be this huge thing, but there'll be a reaction. I just wasn't sure what this fucking pop was about. Anybody know what the pop was about? Oh, well, this tariff. Well, this is why it all came down. 30% tariffs on Libya, 30% off tariff, 30% off, 30% tariffs on Libya, 30% tariff on Iraq. They own Iraq. Now, hey, Penn. %30 on Algeria, Moldova, 25%, Brunei, 25%, Philippines, 20%. Fresh case of bitumen in water supply for Hong Kong. Oh, man, scary. NVIDIA-backed Perplexity launches AI-powered browser to take on Google Chrome. Is that why that shit popped? That must be why it popped. I'm trying to figure out the timeline on this shit. Yeah. Damn, it popped 100 points because of that? John Q. Yeah, bro. Apex is 80% off for like another 15 days. Lord Woodslinger. Normally, I've been mostly a starter guy. I did like trading the starter plus because there was no consistency rule. So I kind of had the freedom in terms of like how I wanted to trade the account, what I wanted to do. The expert I got because if you haven't bought a My Fund the Futures account yet and you want to try the expert because you've never tried it before, it's not a bad account. You have less drawdown and you have to grow it higher. I had to get 4,000 to pass. A 50K starter or starter plus, you need 3,000. I had to get 4,000 just to pass this fucker. But I'm an expert apparently. I need a thumbnail that says I'm a trading expert. Drifter, what up? Is that what they said in the video made a browser? Hold on a sec. Oh, yeah, AI-powered browser. Damn. They brought back fucking Ask Jeeves. We got Ask Jeeves 2.0. Tyler, Big Tick, what up? Hell yeah. Oh, 10, 25Ks? Fuck yeah, bro. GMAT, what up? Thank you, sir. TD Trades. 2 hours remaining, 40% off resets. That's fucking crazy. That's actually pretty good. I didn't know that. I wonder if the best code ZERODAYJay works for that. Let me try. Let's give it a little try here. Well, actually, I don't know. I don't have any. I can't figure it out. I'll try something else. Oh shit! Tickle Gollum confirms ZERODAYJay will get you 40% off any reset. Not only you get 40% off any reset, but if you use the best code, you can get 50% off any account, any plan, any size. If you haven't bought anything yet this month, you might want to do that first though, because I don't know if that reset counts as your first purchase. And then after that, it's 15% off any expert or starter plus account for the rest of the month, unlimited. This shit's barely fucking moving. We got this little fucking pop right here that happened, which is ranging in this fucking shoulder, I guess. That was a 20-point move, but doesn't feel like a lot. Spider Lily, thank you for confirming, Tickle. I appreciate it, man. Hot shot. Yeah, one day to pass on those experts. Next 2 hours. Are we going to the top of the range and then going to the VWAP? Let me see something here. Bounce off the 707. Drifter. Cajun, what up? JP, yeah, 40% off. It's fucking cool. Hopefully in the video we'll integrate Grok 3.0 for the based and entertaining content. Yeah. Grok is fucking good. Grok is funny. Trend lines, what up? Yeah. Yeah. Just so I could count it so I could trade against it. That was a fucking healthy little pop. Damn, look at that. We just went up fucking 40 points. I don't know. I'm being fucking patient with this shit. Does it want to go for the VWAP? It just feels like we're just stuck in this range right here until maybe this head and shoulders breaks. Look, I mean, it's fucking, look at that. Shoulder, head, shoulder. This shoulder's fucked up, though. Well, this shoulder's fucked up. This one's got some muscles. This guy had some shoulder surgery, and on this shoulder, it was on this shoulder. As you can see, it's atrophied as fuck. But this side, this guy, all he's been doing is lifting with his right arm, doing fucking shoulder presses with one arm. Just one arm dumbbell shoulder presses while he rehabs this other arm, while he fucking recovers from surgery. That's what's going on here. I'm convinced of it. Robert Gallus, Crank, P. Shenanigan. Yeah, P. Well, no, I don't know if it's only good for a couple more hours, apparently. That's a papa. I'm strong to the finish because I eats me spinach. Man, there's so many young dudes that don't even know what the fuck that is. It's so sad. Robert Gallus, what up? Keegan. Is it Grok really calling himself Mecha Hitler? What the fuck? Oh, my God, bro. Is Kanye running that shit? Whatever version of Kanye we have now? Hot shot. Yeah. The OG Popeye. TJP in the place to be. after spinach. Say, look, it came back. It rejected actually off of the previous day's high. The previous day's high is right here around, what, 974-ish, 975. Not a lot, though. Or is that a lot? That's 17 points. I got to fucking make these bigger because it just doesn't look like a lot, and I'm fucking getting tricked. My mind's playing tricks on me. Andy, what's good? Maybe I shouldn't fucking take my first trade on Apex. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't unfund it. I got these 2 fucking bulenox accounts. I need 3 more days, guys. How hard can it be? I need to get 3 more days in on these fucks. 1, 2, 3. The leader and the follower. The follower's at 3,900 and the leader's at 3,500. And then I got this other one, this little straggler that's kind of new. I got 2 days in. Just need 8 more days, guys. How hard can it be? bulenox is 91% off 50Ks or bigger, by the way. Option 1. When you use the best fucking code, ZERODAYJay. Corey, what up? What are we doing here? I don't know. I don't know. What's the 5 looking like? Yeah. We'll see. Orders are in for the leader and the follower. Is this fucking 34? Am I going to regret this? Why do I feel... so the bottom of the range is here. I don't need that much. Give me this. We'll see. It's too easy, G-Man. It's too easy. Crank. The only issue I'm running into is that we didn't get to the top of the range. So I just want to try to push back to the top of the range, or is it going to stall where it did and fucking go to the bottom of the range? This fucking range shit is annoying. Flawless, what up? You want me to blow the accounts? Are you projecting? Maximus, what's good? I don't want to blow these accounts. I want to get paid on these fuckers. Yeah, I heard about that. I heard about that, Maximus. Get the fuck down there. Damn, too bad if I was in my regular size, I would have had $400 there. Come on. Come on. Come on, Billy. Come on, Jimmy. What did I have? Damn, I had 290, 280. That would have been 420 with fucking 3. Fuck me. Oh, well. Should have taken it. Should have taken it. The fucking 34, man. Can't get below the 34. The 5-minute 21s here. Great. Wonderful. Fantastic. Wonderful. Fantastic. Damn it. Uh-oh. Let's see if it comes back here. Yo, Jim Blob. Hey, great job recovering that almost blown account, Flawless Trader. Primos. Tick, tick. You could start cashing out from day one. That's pretty crazy. There's got to be a catch. Just My Style. What up? Tim Morgan. Why not just get good? Sometimes for some people, that's how you get good. Fuck. See, again, I did the same thing the other day. I didn't get it with my regular size, and I wanted what I wanted, and I fucking ran into this type of issue. And I was worried also if it was going to go to the top of the range or not. And now my fucking concern may become a reality. I don't know. We'll see. I was hoping it would stall going to the top and then go to the bottom of the range. But now I guess it's making a new fucking range. I don't know. Yash, what up? Yeah, I posted in the Discord, though. In the best community, Just My Style. What's good? Cajun. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. Oh, it just came down to my average fucking fill and then bounced off of it. How awesome is that? I really know how to pick the good spots. Yep, going to the top of the fucking range. Dude, this is what hey, listen, I'm glad I didn't trade my Apex accounts. I can tell you that much. Ew, it's just going to keep going? To the VWAP? Fuck me, man. Where is the VWAP? Right here at 988, 989. What are we looking at here? Fuck. We're at the bottom orb. We're at the bottom orb. We're in the orb. We haven't really been able to crack it on the New York Open. I got all these fucking fibs in the way, but there. The bottom orb is right here. The VWAP is here on New York, the New York chart, and then the top orb is way up here. Fuck. I want us to. Can we please reject the bottom orb one more time for the stream, for the homies? I don't know if it's gonna happen. This is the bottom orb right here. We're literally, this is the bottom orb right here. This line right here. We'll see. Jose Carlos, what up? Tim Morgan. Yeah, I don't fuck with Tick Tick, but that sounds cool. Flawless Trader. V33. Oh, man. Yeah, dude. Those are the worst when you have those shitty ass entries. Mamba Lambo, what up? What up? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not feeling this. I feel a fucking coming. I could have taken like $300 at one point. Right here. Well, it's not going to show that anymore, but I could have taken like $300 and I didn't. And now I'm kind of just sitting here with my dick in my hand. Just be good, Flawless. I mean, I should have fucking known better. Couldn't get below the 34. I'm sure if I was short, I mean, if I was long, it would have gotten below the 34 and went to the bottom of the range. We'll see what happens. It's literally going to the top of the fucking range like I was hoping it did. Awesome. How much more can I lose? How much more can I go down? Oh my God. Fucking kill me. In other news, I was telling you guys how I got paid by Apex already. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Look, this came in last night. This was 12:54 a.m. Eastern. I got the payment sent for the payout request that I got approved on for the 6,000. Pretty fucking cool. I'm so fucking pissed. All right, there's the top of the fucking range. Okay, time to go back to the bottom. Time to go down now. Josh, what up? You got approved in 7 hours. Next payout is uncapped. Fuck yeah. Apex doesn't pay their traders, only their streamers. Great fucking job. Perry Dollar, make him holla. Yo, pound that confetti like roast beef for Josh. Next payout's uncapped with Apex. How many accounts is it? Is it one? It's one account, right? Run that shit up. Or just keep getting paid, bro. Tyler, just keep getting paid on it. Pine Tree, what up? Donna, hello. Thanos. Let's see if we get the VWAP rejection. Let's see. Let's fucking see. All this to get what? 700 bucks? We'll see. Fucking 9 is being a little cuck. Just ride. Hey, where's the trend line trader? Here it is. Here's your fucking trend. Jeffrey Wakeling, what up? Yeah, take profit traders to shit. Good job. Come on. Please. Please. Is this real fucking life? Gross. The problem is we're in the fucking orb on the New York fucking orb. And I need us to get the fuck back out of it. Let's fucking go. Come on. Nice, Josh. Oh, you got that shit? No doubt, bro. How long did it take from when you requested to when you got the money? Asking for a friend. Yeah, trend line. Yeah. Little baby trend line. But the trend has never been my friend. But you're my friend. 10 days. It took 8 days to get your money. That's a long time. So you literally could basically only get like paid one time with fucking bulenox a month. You requested on a Monday. What's the magic day to request? What's the best day to request? Wednesday, I heard, I think. I'll play the fucking game. Bacon, what's up? If you request on a Friday, oh, well, notwithstanding the current situation, if I get day 10 is on Friday, so maybe I can request on Friday. We'll see. Let's see if I can fucking get the job done. Get the fuck down there. Yeah, Bacon. About the same for me. Oh, come. It literally came to my fucking entry and bounced. Are you fucking serious? It literally bounced off my fucking average fill. It really bounced off of this shit. This. Come on. Maybe I should have just went long. That would have been a lot easier. I'd be done already. But I went short. Went up. Went in with 2 instead of 3. My usual 3. Would have been up around 400 bucks. Look at this shit. It literally came to my fucking entry and fucking bounced right off of it. What are the fucking chances? This is going to be it this time. It's going to be different this time. Yup, Josh, yup. I heard, man. Thanks. I heard. Crazy. I don't know if I have anything that I can reset that's not about to rebuild anyway. I got to look. Fuck me, bro. So what is this? 972.25? Oh, it bounced off the previous day's high. You gotta be fucking kidding me. I'm not feeling this at all. So my average fill on this fucking shit trade I'm in is literally on the previous day's high. Great job. Great fucking job by me. Fucking crazy. If I look at another chart, I'm not looking at the bulenox account. It might not be as painful. I feel less pain looking on a different screen than the screen that I'm in the trading. Because I feel like I'm about to get fucking fucked. Look at that. It's just, oh, there we go. There we go. Fuck, man. Awful. DBT, what up? Geo. Yeah. I feel for you, man. I blew my funded 50K starter plus that I got paid on. And I literally had my third day and some old fucking bullshit, some old habit that I'm breaking. I'm in the process of breaking, fucking reared its ugly head. This is not good, what's going on right now, though. It literally came back to my fucking entry. Well, my average fill, basically, but we're back at the VWAP. Back at the VWAP. Oh my God, it bounced off this. We got this pivot point here. Ugh. Tickle. Is that I don't know, man. That's a good question. That's a good question. The secret is don't get kicked out of the DGen treehouse. Oh, but oh my God. Did you see that? And even like when it bounced off of this and it was coming back up here, I thought like, hey, we could reject back off of this level right here off the 9. But no, it fucking just kept going. It went higher. Now the VWAP. Is the VWAP going to be support? Or did we just overshoot the VWAP for the real fucking rejection here? That's the $1 million question. I know, J Stores. I fucking know, bro. Yeah, swinging Trump to say China. Come on, roll out one more tariff on somebody. Honest take. What are the rules for starters? You could pass starter in one day. They have a daily loss limit on the eval and funded. There's a 40% consistency rule on funded with starters. 5 days of $100 or more. Scaling rule, you can only start with 1 mini or 10 micros. And then I think when you get to 1,000, you can add 1 more or 10 more. V33. Nice, bro. I'm happy you got out, bro. 7 Money Bag, yo. What up? It's fucking not good, man. This is why trading the range fucking blows. Because you think you fucking, well, we did go from the bottom to the top. But now we kind of fucking traded out of the range here. And now you can't just keep trading in the range. I just woke up, and this is the first fucking trade I took. I'm glad I didn't do it in my Apex account. Let's just put it that way. But I'm fucking annoyed because these accounts are fucking in good shape. They were. It just keeps fucking going again. It just keeps going up. I'm fucking annoyed. It literally bounced off my average fill, which also just happened to be the previous day's fucking high. And we're in the orb now. I'm fucked. We're in the fucking orb. The only thing I can hope for is that we come down and retest the fucking bottom orb on the fucking New York orb. This just keeps getting worse and worse. I'm only down $2,000. Cool. Yeah, let's add another one. Let's blow this quicker. Now it's going to give a dildo candle and blow the account. Fuck me, man. Fuck me. Yo, I was literally on the, what day was I on last time when I had two right there? Day 9? This is day 8. Amazing. Tyler. Nah, I just want to fucking watch it fucking, I want to blow the account now. Let's see if it blows. So fucking annoyed. It's just going to keep going up on me because I'm fucking. I didn't get it with my regular size, and right around here, I would have had $400 something. But I wouldn't have taken it because I wanted like six something. But maybe I might have trailed it. I may have trailed it. This is not good though. It just keeps going up. Look at this. Ugh. I mean, if you look, oh my God. You see where it bounced to? It bounced. This is the top orb on the extended hours fucking orb for the first 15 minutes. It bounced right off the top orb. That was after. But whatever. What the fuck ever. I wonder if it's just Phil. I thought maybe we would have a nice head and shoulders. I mean, it looked like it. I wonder if it's just going to come all the way back up here and just fill this fucking pot. But I don't know. Obviously, I could have gotten out so many times. Please drop tariff news. Drop new tariff news. Please. Oh, 30% tariff on Sri Lanka. That's going to do it for me. Sri Lanka. Come on, Sri Lanka. Let's go, Sri Lanka. Tariffs. Just ain't right. Mwah. Yeah, if we go to 23,111 DBT, these accounts are fucked. The trend is not my fucking friend. It never will be. I guarantee you, J Stores, if I tried to trade the trend here, it would have broke it. Fuck me. Well, at least I got 6,000 coming my way. At least I got fucking. At least I'm over 7,000 for the month in payouts. But I was looking forward to potentially getting 3,000, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. It just doesn't look like it. I don't think Sri Lanka doesn't hit as hard. Sri Lanka tariff does not hit as hard. I bet it goes to the fucking top orb up here. God damn, bro. That's 64. Well, I won't have the accounts anymore by then. All right, now we're at the VWAP on the New York VWAP, just about. Almost done. Almost done. Amazing. Let's make it quick. Maybe we'll get a nice little, there's going to be like a little flash pop here so I can blow the accounts once and for all. Fuck me, man. And then I just keep staying in the trade. That's what I. So I deserve to lose these accounts, and I'm perfectly at peace with that. I got this one. I'll have this one that I can still work to a payout. But those are cooked. One of these is going to blow. This one's going to blow. This one's going to blow. This one might have some room. This one's in better shape because it's up more than it was like $400 higher. But this one's done. Flash up, blow the account. Let's go. Once I fucking stop doing shit like this, I will be fucking unstoppable. Coffee Buff, what up? Newts, what up? Oh, nice. A major 10-year bond auction coming up. Great. I just want to get better. Which I am getting better every day, but like once I eliminate this shit that I do here, like what's happening right now, once I stop doing this, I'm like it's game over. Drifter. You think so, Coffee Buff? Why? Because Trump's talking? Well, the tariff on Sri Lanka did not have the fucking effect I was hoping for. No, it's going to go up just enough to blow this account. I already fucking know it. And then it'll drop. Tim Morgan. Not the taking of it, the holding of it for too long, just hoping and smoking the hopium that it's going to come back. And it did come back at one point, like it pulled back right here. And that before I added more, it was my average fill was this line right here. It literally came back and bounced off of it. But I'm just sitting in here dying in this trade. And also I could have taken gains here. Or if I traded my regular size, that would have been another thing. My regular size, I would have had right here. I would have been up like 420. I may or may not have. I probably would have trailed it and taken something. So I don't know. A lot of things about this I don't like. That I would, that I'm working on doing differently, but. Now I'm in it, so whatever happens, happens. Yeah, hot shot. I thought Sri Lanka was gonna fucking be my ticket back to green and hit him and getting the fuck out of this shit trade for a fucking win. Maybe Trump needs to really start making. He needs to say something mean about Sri Lanka. Is he saying something mean about them right now? We need Trump to say, fuck Sri Lanka. Oh. Come on, let's all chant, fuck Sri Lanka. We got to do it for Sri Lanka. Tell you more about your expert account? I passed that fucker. I would love to say I did it in one trade, but it took a lot. I was up, I got close, I came all the way back. I was up, I got close. But the good thing is it's end of day drawdown, not fucking trailing. Oh, gold is dropping. Wow. Too bad that's not the NQ. Oh shit. This 34 better not fucking matter. So I'll have an expert account, a funded expert account, I guess, when the market reopens. Best future signals, what up? Get the fuck down there, Benjamin, what up? They really don't know what the fuck they're doing over there. Oh, the fucking 34. Oh my God, you fucking piece of shit, man. Yo, how many times have I been in a trade relying on the 34 and it just acts like it's not even there? But now I need the 34 to not be there, and it's fucking here. Come back down. Come on, new hour fuckery. Let's go. Come down. Please. Yeah, it just ain't right. It was tough. You got to get $4,000, you know? You got to get $1,000 more than you normally have to. I was fucking with gold, too. Come on, baby. Come on. Dump it. Dump it. Fuck that 34. Fuck Sri Lanka. Let's go. Coach Fred. Oh my God, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. No, don't go up and hit my. No, come on. It came to my fucking fill again. Drop it. Come on. Oh my God, no. I was green for a second. That's it? That's all I get? I definitely don't want to go down. Oh, hit my take fucking. Get the fuck down there. I'm telling you, I am the best trader if this hits. Hit my fucking take profit, you fuck. Get down there, you piece of shit. Get the fuck down there. Get down there. Yeah, boy. Don't fucking fade me. Actually, that was awful. That was awful. We did it, Joe. I knew it was going to happen. I told you guys. I told you. I told you guys. Hey, guys. Guys. What did I say? What a lucky guess. Yeah, boy. We fucking did it. Hey, I'm going to lock myself out of this one.
Shut up.
Oh, no, I got in trouble. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. Who's still sleeping? Oh, it's still going. Sri Lanka came through for your boy. Nah, I still need another day minimum. I still need another day. Sri Lanka just came through for your boy. The VWAP, the New York VWAP. Oh man, yo, it's too easy. Casa Lisk. I'm telling you guys, Raj, what up? Yo, I'm telling you, Nayo, what's good? FC Mike. I'm the best trader on YouTube. I'm the best. You see that? And that's why. That's exactly. Of course, that's how you're supposed to take trades. You're supposed to go in, be up a little bit, not take profits, and then go fucking down, so far down that you're supposed to go so far down that you're almost about to blow the account, and then on your way, you add some more. You know, we call that, I'm rolling out a new program, guys, a new training program. And it's more like, Degenerates Anonymous type thing. It's called the Focus Degenerate Program. And that's exactly how it plays out. The Focus Degenerate Program, what you saw happen is how to execute on that. If you want to be a part of to get your account from the Focus Degenerate Program, the one account you're allowed to trade. You know what? Actually, that's the Focus Trader Program. The Focus Degenerate Program, you can trade as many fucking accounts as you want. Copy trade them for all I fucking care. Bo Vosh. Oh my God. Anthony Jr., thank you. Yo. Tyler's in a wheelchair now. Tyler is just holding on to the handle and just typing all this. Yo, listen, guys, I knew this was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen. All of it. That's exactly how I drew it up. So now, wow, what a little bounce. That was a nice little bounce. Now, this account's the lead is at 4,315. The followers at 4,673. I just hope bulenox doesn't give me shit about inconsistent position sizing. But we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This I would consider my flip day, right? I don't necessarily want to get another flip day in, but I have 2 more days I need to trade minimum either way. How hard can it be, guys? All I have to do is just keep trading the way I just traded, right? Timur Strat. Marcin. I was one of the top students of fuck them traders. Yeah. They hated me, bro. They talked about me all the time in there. It was fucking funny. Oh my God. He said something about fast track trading. Let's go on and stream and be mean. Anyone who hung out in that fucking Discord knows. They had such a boner for me. It was hysterical. Because I was the only one who fucking said anything about fast track being fucking I was the one was I don't know, I see some red flags here, guys. You know? And I got so much shit for it. So much shit. Yeah, Bacon, Sri Lanka for the win. You know what's funny? I had a fucking, I don't know if I still have it. I had a coin. I'm a fucking metal stacker, and I flip gold and silver and shit. I actually had this Coca-Cola bottle cap, this silver Coca-Cola bottle cap. Came with a cool tin and all this shit, a certificate of authenticity, and it was actually from Sri Lanka. So it's a sign. It was a sign. All right, now I got to trade this fucking thing. Neil, what up, Neil? You just missed some fun fuckery. Pine Tree, bro. Thank you, bro. That's what she said. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Benjamin, Benjamin, that was the best trade ever, bro. The best trade. I'm the best trader on YouTube. I'm the biggest, the largest, the bestest. My coupon code is the most exclusive. Holy Earth, what's good? What'd you miss? Just rewind, like, play like the last 15, 20 minutes on 2X. I basically was in a trade. I was in a trade down here. Didn't take profits. It bounced off the 34, kept going up. I added. It went all the way up here. I was down to like my last $400 of drawdown on these perfectly good accounts that I had. And then it came and hit my take profit. My new take profit, 8,006. Coffee buff, yeah. Yeah, yo, Alfred, remember that? Fast track is the future. Everyone will change to straight to funded after that. Yeah. Scott's a forward thinker. Remember that shit, Alfred? You remember being on those streams and they would come in here and fucking just start blasting me? You're stuck in the past. Everyone's gonna be paying with crypto. Everyone's gonna be buying straight to funded accounts with Tron coin. That shit was hysterical. And then they were giving me shit about Apex because I was an affiliate of Apex and I was promoting Apex and I trade with Apex. Still. It's Tyler. Yo, the best code, Raj. Tell him. Oh my God, they were licking that peanut butter off of Scott's nuts, begging him. Oh, he would get on his throne, and then Sage would be in his little fucking bitch boy throne, and they would go on these streams in the Discord and basically say, whoever sucks my dick the hardest or licks the peanut butter the best, we'll get their payout that we owe you. Remember that? Those were the good days, the good old days. Bussy coin, Nathaniel Jones. Yo, Alfred, it was crazy. They would come in here and fucking just shit on me. All I said was, hey, man, I see some red flags. I wouldn't fuck with them. Here they are. I didn't tell people not to trade with them. I said, I'm not going to trade with them. And I'm not going to recommend them. That's all I did. Got so much shit for it. And then, you know. And then what happened. Raj, yeah. Bulenox is challenging because you have to get fucking, first of all, at 91% off, they're fucking cheap as fuck on the front end. Oh. Whoa. Is that the bond auction right there? Is that a bond auction candle? They're paying people, yeah, Benny Reimer. They're paying people back in Coles cash. Remember I would say that? Can I use my Coles cash to buy an account? Oh my God. I got a fucking headache from that trade, bro. Yeah, you know what it is? Yo, you know what I would do, Raj? Like, those trade day accounts, I don't know, like if it's like a budget thing, but like you could get a trade day account. I have 3 of them. That's my expert account that I got for 50% off. Look at that. That fucker's passed. Oh man. But these trade days I paid $59.40 for each. They're passed, and I won't have to pay an activation fee. That's what's going on with them. Chuck E. Cheese, yeah, Alfred paid with Chuck E. Cheese tokens. What a fucking joke they were. And listen, did I want them to go under? No, of course not. I wanted them to do well because that means people are getting paid, right? I didn't want them to go under. I just didn't want to fucking put my name behind that shit. I didn't want anything to do with it. That's all. So it wasn't that big of a deal. People got so fucking heated. People got so mad at me about it. Like, bro, go ahead. Go get your money. Good luck. Just make sure you get the fuck out. Don't be the last one holding the bag. This is saying a little wily here. This is a casual fucking 50-point bounce. Yo, I'm gonna give away a fast track account today. You guys want a free fast track account? Let me go to the site. Fasttracktrading.net. Oh, never mind. Sorry, guys. I'm rug pulling the giveaway. I'm rug pulling the fast track giveaway. What about fucking Thrive? Is Thrive Trading? Did they put their site? Oh, damn. What about Profit Trade? Funding, was it profittradefunding.com? No, what was it? It was. Oh, maybe it was just Profit Rate. Profit Rate. Here we go. What's taking so long for it to load? What's taking so fucking long? Penn Island. Yeah, I know about Penn Island. They still have the website up? Oh, it's just no data here. The website's still up. Good for them. Can I buy an account? Oh, shit. Yo, come on. I'm trying to get an account. Damn. Never mind. What about FlexiTrade? Knowledge. Man, so many forbidden, the forbidden fruit. Anyway. P. The 100K account's called Ambition. We're ambitiously going to take all your money and then say, our employees were doing such a great job with it, with everything. We're just going to make sure they get paid. So fuck you. If you want to get your money back, just file a chargeback. That's what they said. True story. Oh, man. Sean, what up, Sean? Let me get the Big Cugs Boogie Nights account. Oh, man. Sean's still waiting on his Thrive. Oh, that's fucking awful. You took a chance knowing it was new, but someone said, I really like them. I like June. Use my code. He's a nice guy. I talked to him on the phone. Use my code. This price action is actually pretty fucking good. I need to pay attention. What do we got? A 707 rejection here? Almost a 786. What about this way? It's a happy Fibonacci. Oh, 618. No. Man. Oh, by the way, I'm in the bulenox account. 91% off. Option 1, 50K or bigger. Only get the 50K. Trust me. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. The 50K is the only one worth getting anyway. What the fuck? 91% off option 1, 50K bulenox. There we go. Take profit trade is 40% off. Look, was that the 786? Look at that, like right there, basically. Uh-oh. Whoopsie. Take Profit Trader is still 40% off. Erkan, what up? Good to see you, man. 40% off Take Profit Trader with no activation fee. With the best fucking code ZERODAYJ. Apex extended their 80% off sale for like another fucking 2 weeks plus. But only when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY, the most exclusive, the biggest, the largest fucking code. Trade days 40% off with no activation fee. Also, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Come on, Tommy. Come on, Billy. You know you want to go higher. Oh my God, hit it, bro. Hit it. Damn, homie. So close. How many points away was that? Less than 2. 7 fucking ticks, 6 ticks. Get up there, you fucking cocksucker. Fuck the 34. Come on, hit my take profit, brah. No. See, on this account, I got to worry about trailing drawdown because I'm, nowhere near the buffer. Come on, push. It's gonna go higher. Another lucky guess. Another lucky guess for your boy. What up, Bowser? You know what's interesting about this VWAP? It is wrong. It's never right. But what it looks like the New York VWAP. The New York VWAP is at 23,007. This VWAP is pretty much in the same spot. But yeah, it's never where it's supposed to be. I'm not on New York. I'm on extended trading hours. I'm on extended trading hours. But you see this rejection right here? This is the same as the New York VWAP rejection right here, bro. So it's right. That's as close as I'm going to be able to get it. Don Burberry, what up? Zach, what's good, Zach? On TradingView, yeah, but like when you just go to futures, yeah, the CME one. Just type in NQ. This one right here, CME. Yeah. Neil, I'm saving up for Amazon Prime Day. Use the best code. I heard my code works on Amazon Prime Day for any vendor. ZERODAYJAY. All right, so we got bulenox out of the way. I'll lock myself out. I'm done. That's day 3. So we're done with bulenox for the day, unless I want to fuck around and trade some fucking evals, which I might just because I have them and I paid for them and they're going to rebuild at some point. So we got 3 days in the books with this account. Just need 7 more. How hard can it be? And then this one, day 8 is in the books. It was an adventure, but we got the job done. This one, day 8 is also in the books. I'm in max payout land on both of these accounts. But I have one flip day. I'm just going to trade. I have to trade at least one more day for sure. Hopefully it won't be as much of a fucking adventure as it was just now. 7-8 to 7, yeah, it's like all fucking week. Making the W. The George W. The upside down Whack Arnold's W. So, oh, by the way, if you have any, so there's a couple things going on with My Funded Futures. The main deal is 50% off any My Funded Futures account if you haven't made any purchases yet with My Funded Futures this month, or if you're a new user. But it's good for existing users as well. Any type of account, any size. I grabbed an expert. 50K for 113 bucks and passed it. That's what I'd use my 50% off deal, my 50% off for. After 50% off, you could, for as many times as you want for the rest of the month, you could get unlimited expert or starter pluses for 15% off. And then right now for like another hour, I think, I don't know how much time is left. There's a 40% off flash sale, 40% off reset flash sale. So if you have any accounts you want to reset, you could get 40% off a reset right now. I don't know how many uses it is. Let me just double check my email. 3 uses. You could get 3. You could reset 3 blown My Funded Futures accounts for 40% off right now using the best code ZERODAYJAY. That's the other deal. That ends soon. That ends like, that's a flash sale. I don't know what time that's ending, like in an hour. So what I would do, like if you want to take advantage of, if you haven't grabbed an account yet, if you haven't spent any money with them yet this month, and you want to take advantage of the 50% off, I would do that first before you go and reset any accounts. Because I don't know if you reset an account, does that basically nullify the 50% off deal? If it does, then you could get everything, you could get as many expert and starter pluses for 15% off. DBT. Yup, DL, bro, yeah. There's so much money. It's like, I think it's the best way to take advantage of the deal. For 113 bucks, it's the same price as a starter plus without the discount. You know what I mean? It's actually a little less than a starter plus. And it's a little more than a starter. $113 for an expert fucking My Funded Futures account, all in, pretty good fucking deal. Full price on the 50% off, Neil, and everybody else who's interested, on the 50% off, the rebill is full price. So keep that in mind. It's only for the first month. Still a really good deal for My Funded Futures. You know, they do deals all the time, but this is a 50% off is a lot for them. Especially knowing that there's no activation fee on evals. You never pay an activation fee if you pass. So you're all in for whatever it costs you on the front end. Best code for all of that, ZERODAYJAY. For Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, Trade Day, and bulenox. What up, Giannis? There's always an activation fee with bulenox. That's why I always tell people only get the 50K. Only do the 50K because the activation fee on all the other accounts are fucking higher. Bulenox's activation fee is comparable to Apex's lifetime activation fee and Top Step's XFA activation fee. So they're not out of bounds. And the front end, right now, 91% off, you're getting 50Ks for $15.75. Where's this message coming from? Where's the message coming from? Let's see. Trader Hub? Is that where that comes from? I want to see something. NVIDIA plans to launch a new AI chip designed specifically for China as soon as September. NVIDIA CEO to talk with Chinese officials next week, aiming for a September unveiling of a processor compliant with UX export controls. I never know where that message is coming from. It always says I have a message. From where? Whatever. Wow. Is this a double bottom? We did not yet get to the top orb here. I got these fucking Apex. These are the ones I got paid on. And I got 1 day in so far since getting paid. So I want to trade these. I just I don't know if I want to do it now. I might save it. I might trade it off stream, and then save these evals for the stream. I got 3 evals that came through on rebills for 90% off that I still had, and I would like to trade them. Roberto, I don't know if they do. They have some they have something in there. I just don't know exactly what it is. I feel like they do. I'm going to look right now. Oh, they do have a calendar. They do. It really doesn't show anything. It only shows like red folder events type shit. Non-farm payroll. It's showing CPI, FOMC. Their calendar shows the stuff that you're not supposed. They don't want you trading during. So they'll show the shit that they don't want you trading a funded account while this stuff is happening. That's basically what the calendar's for. So that's about, they do that basically to protect you from fucking yourself, from breaching your own account by trading something you weren't supposed to trade. No, I don't have a news calendar, but you don't need it. Just go to, you got this one, you got Forex Factory /calendar. Watch. I'll put this in the chat. You need this, and then you need Financial Juice. And you're good. Can I just spell fucking, there we go. They have a calendar. Yeah, the calendar I'm looking at, though, it doesn't really show shit. Like here, I'll take a screenshot and post it in the Discord. This is their calendar. Oh, by the way, I haven't sent an invite out to the best community on these Prop Firm streets yet. So look. This is their calendar. All it shows, unless I'm looking at unless there's something else, Alfred, that I don't know about. It shows non-farm payroll, CPI. It shows the red folder events that they don't want you trading your funded accounts during. You don't want you having open orders or in a trade before, during, and after, like a minute before, during, and then a minute after. So they have those on the calendar, so you know. But I haven't really seen anything. This shit's just chopping around here. What did gold do? Gold's chopping around. But if you want to join the best community on these Prop Firm streets, we have a focused degenerate program in there. It's important. Yeah, Alfred. Yep, that's the only one I could find. That's the only one I saw in there too. I always have Financial Juice open. You see how I have my tabs? I had the Forex Factory calendar. So the Forex Factory calendar tells us, FOMC is happening. Tomorrow we got unemployment claims. It gives you red, yellow, and orange folder events. I don't have the yellow. It gives you everything really, but I don't have them all checked off. You could change all this shit in here, like your settings. Financial Juice gives you, the feed is delayed by like a minute, but Financial Juice will give you all the stuff that you saw on the side of bulenox, which is Project X. That's Project X. But Financial Juice is where it at. What if you're not trading in a bulenox account? You know what I mean? You're better off just having it open in a tab. Doesn't matter what you trade. You have it, between that and the Forex Factory calendar. All right, guys, I'm going to bounce. Yeah, Nick trades 50% one time. One time for the homies with the best code ZERODAYJAY. I'm going to bounce, though. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte on your way out. I'll be back on. What's up, No? I'll be back on for Power Hour. I need to eat something. Take the Browns to the Super Bowl. Gian Rich, what up? Peter Schapp, what's good? I don't think Jamila's here. I don't know. I didn't see her. But No, TJP, this FOMC is barely going to do anything. It's not going to be like the usual. It's just the minutes. It's kind of like, you know how you have non-farm payroll, you have it on Wednesday and then you have it on Friday. The ADP one on Wednesday is like a nothing burger. There'll be a little bit of fluctuation, but the one on Friday, the real non-farm payroll on Friday is the one that could really go fucking crazy. That's how FOMC minutes is compared to the regular FOMC. Minutes is just going to be, there might be some kind of fluttering or fluctuation, but it won't be a huge move. Ezekiel, what up? And yeah, I'll see you later. Come hang out, guys. Come back for Power Hour. I'll be on for Power Hour. Thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate you guys. Join the best Discord. Here's the link again. Hang out with the best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Appreciate you guys. I'm glad most of you got to see that crazy, stupid fucking trade I was in, but it worked out. All right, I'll talk to you soon. I'll be on for Power Hour. If not, I'll see you next time.